Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day. So far today, you guys, we are doing our first meal prep video. Probably our second, but we'll just call this the first meal prep video. And we have some ghost pepper honey wings. These were baked in the oven and the glaze was made over top the stove. And then we air fried, aka roasted, some broccoli with yellow bell pepper and sauteed some bok choy. This came out absolutely delicious. Not too many calories. What I used to do back in the day, I can no longer do. The older I get, I have to adjust, pivot, and adapt to where my body currently is, where my hormones are. Okay, because hormones plays a big part in anyone's wellness journey. So with that being said, right, I'm taking you guys along this weight loss journey with me. It has not been easy because my body has changed. And so I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on what's working for me and what's not. So here we go. Let's get into this recipe. All right, so we're just cleaning these wings with some cool water and vinegar. Gotta make sure I get all these little feathers and stuff off as well. Look at this big old feather. Who missed that? They need to reconsider their feather removing job. All right, now we're just gonna cut these wings in half. So I made this sauce. This is a green sauce. It has scallions, green pepper, ghost pepper, habanero, cilantro, parsley, lemon juice, a little bit of water, a little bit of salt. All right, let's see what the sauce is looking like. You can see the specks of the ghost pepper. This is really good though. It's hot as heck, but it's good. All right, then we're gonna add some low sodium or less sodium soy sauce. I'll leave all the ingredients to what's in this green sauce in the description box. Okay, I'm a little under the weather, so my memory box is not doing what it's supposed to do. All right, then we're gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little Sazon Tropical, one of my fave seasonings. I just look how low it is. Gotta re-up. Recreate this recipe if you don't like ghost pepper, you don't like spicy food. Just omit the spice and do everything else. But this green sauce is what's gonna take it to the next level. See that bad boy? So these are the flats, and we're gonna do the same thing with the drums. Drums in the oven on 350 until they are brown, crispy, and ready to be coated. All right, I have some broccoli that I'm gonna cut up, rinse off. All right, so I have some parchment paper lined. Now we're gonna drizzle with some oil, sprinkle with some salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Garlic powder, salt of your choosing. I'm using the Sazon Tropical. Black pepper. You can also do this process in a bowl. All right, so here's our bok choy. I'm just gonna cut off the ends. And you want to clean these thoroughly because they have little buggies and things in them. All right, I've decided to go ahead and cut up a yellow bell pepper to roast with my broccoli. All right, I'm gonna get this broccoli in the air fryer. All right. Our bok choy is clean, and now we're just gonna saute this up. In this pot, we have water, soy sauce, cilantro, and minced garlic. Now all we're gonna do is go ahead and add in our bok choy, and that's pretty much that. Also gonna add some black pepper. All right, I'm gonna add a little salt. Choy out. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the sauce from the chicken and let that cook down. And we're gonna add a ghost pepper. Let's see, which one of these look the hottest? Look how hot that looks. I should be wearing a glove, but. And let's get it in the pot. Okay. Add some honey. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the ghost pepper now. The ghost pepper, it has cooked thoroughly in there, as you can see. And the smell. Woo! Because I like to live dangerously, we're gonna add some red pepper flakes. Some salt. So let's go ahead and add that. So I'm gonna drain the juices from this chicken. And I'm gonna put that in here. All right, I'm gonna add some cornstarch. Sauce in here too. All right, so now you have all the clumps out and you're left with this amazingly silky glaze. Let's give that a taste. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Ooh, spicy though. Add in my pepper flakes. So I took the wings out. We're just gonna go ahead and toss them in the sauce and take them out. Yum. And start filling up our meal prep containers. Yum. Bit of bok choy on the side here. The air fried broccoli tastes so good. Yum. And now it's time to go in with these delicious, definitely delicious wings. Meal prep is done. We have our ghost pepper honey wings with our air fried, aka roasted broccoli, yellow bell pepper, and then some very quickly sauteed bok choy. Absolutely, definitely delicious.